This is a really cool building right here. Look at that. Oh, it's time to walk. And I think I'll go this way.
Ah, d'ailleurs, alors on verra ça demain.
That's a cool restaurant right there.
Laissez une clé avec un badge.
So tomorrow's my last full day in Paris, and so today's Monday, and then on Wednesday I take the train to Barcelona, and I spend 10 days in Barcelona, and then after that I take the train to Madrid, and then I'll spend another 10 days in Madrid. Oh, look at this cool building right here. That looks cool too. See, doesn't that look cool? My gosh. It looks very grand. It looks stunning. Okay, so I'll try to walk on the side without any cars parked so that the view won't be blocked, so that you don't just see like cars. You know what I'm saying? So when I get home today, when I eat my chips, I got the Lay's chips with the emmental cheese flavor. I guess I should put on my dead cat in case there's some wind noise or something. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. There, did you hear it click? So there's not that many people here.
Parce que c'était en même temps que ça fait.
Oh, that has a bicycle with like 2 kiddie seats. And I don't remember if I said it, but so I'm gonna have these chips, the Lay's potato chips, and then the and I got a bottle of red wine the other day. I haven't finished it yet, but I paid €4 for the bottle of wine. It's a red wine. Oh, look at this, the flower shop. That's cool. I like that building right there. And I like that building right there. All the buildings look cool. And I think we're getting close to Gare du Nord. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Brasserie Belanger. Belanger. Can't pronounce it. Okay, I'm getting close to Gare du Nord. And I don't know if I told you, but I did laundry today. So it's always on a Monday. And so I paid €5 for the washer, plus 50 cents for the detergent, and then €3 for the dryer. So $8.50 for the whole laundry for my 7-day clothes. So here's Gare du Nord up here. And I think I'll walk on this Gare du Nord side. Okay, I guess I'll go this way. And you have to look left and right. It's just like in Amsterdam, because you don't know. There's like bikes. There's bikes everywhere. My gosh. Now I'm right here. And now I can go. See? And they could be on the street, on the sidewalk, everywhere. Look, this is Paris at night. Here's Le Bouquet du Nord. And just look at all the bicycles. And look at the tobacco. Is that tobacco? Tobacco. And here, so there's a lot of kebabs. Look, hippopotamus. So this Gare du Nord is huge. I guess it's their biggest train station in Paris. You can get lost in there, my gosh. It's crazy, but it's true. Look at it. It's cool. So I bought my breakfast buffet at the hostel for €5, and now I don't know if I should use it for tomorrow, which is my last full day, or on Wednesday, right before I check out. But I know I want to have the lamb biryani again one more time at least. Oh, look at this. The 25 Hours Hotel. It's massive. It's huge. It's magnificent. It's stunning. And then this is Gare du Nord right here. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? And then they have this artwork right here. Gare du Nord. Oh, they have Five Guys. They have Five Guys in there. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if I should have Five Guys again because I didn't finish the fries. It's really for like two people, like the small fries. You must be really hungry if you can, like, if one person can finish it. Because I tried, I think 3 or 4 times already, and I don't think I finished. But I also had a burger, so I guess if you just order the fries, you can finish like the small fries if you're just one person. But if you had the burger, and the burger is huge, like the regular burger is like, it's like a double burger. There's Café du Nord. Maybe I should eat at Café du Nord. But because I'm still a little full. Look at that. So I think I'm gonna walk on the other side because it's more fun there. You can see more stuff. Okay, let's take a look at the menu. You're gonna be shocked at the prices. I want the escargot. Look at that escargot. $9.50 for 6 pieces. Isn't that crazy? Huh. Okay, moving on. Oh, there's a beef bourguignon. I think that's one of the things I wanted to try. Okay, I read some reviews and like Café du Nord and is it? Nord Cafe. The rating was like 3.8 or 3.9. So maybe I'll look somewhere else. But I don't think I'm gonna eat right now. I think I'll just have my chips and my bottle of wine or whatever's left. Maybe that one's good right there. I'm not sure. I have to look at the reviews. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna go to this one also, the one behind me. I looked at the reviews and it doesn't even say French restaurant, so okay, there's St. Christopher's Inn's hostel where I'm staying at. Okay, that's it for tonight. I'm all done.